The song here in my heart, the melody I start but can't complete. Listen to the sound from deep within. It's only beginning to find release. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. There will not be for suicide and turn into your own, all because you want. Listen, I am alone and it was wrong. I'm not alone in my own home, and I'm trying to stay what's on my mind. You should have known. Now I'm done believing you don't know what I'm feeling. I'm more than what you made of me, about the voice you gave to me. But now I've got to find my own. You should have listened. There is someone here inside, someone that thought had died so long ago. Oh, I'm screaming out, and my dreams will be heard. There will not be suicidal words into your own, or what you want. Listen. You made of me.